Once your license is activated, go to the all downloads, and we are going to create the first plugin. This one is going to call the global theme because we want to distribute our theme CSS across several websites. So let's call it global theming. And for start, you can see that the changelog, it's predefined, also the description and the standard installation process, so you don't need to do it for yourself. Then just to mention, we still don't have the zip. We are going to create one. We are starting with the 001. The banners and the stylings are going to be inside another video. Then by the default, we just wrote the 6.3 requested version. You can change that one. Also the tested version we are fetching from your store, so you can see here that we are fetching that number. You can also change that, same as you can change your minimum PHP. Then for the outer, we are fetching it from the admin. You can change it. Then you can add your own website URL, and also you can add your WordPress profile as well. For now, we are going to leave it like this. We are just going to push, and then after that, let's go to the resources and choose global theme. As you can see, once you choose your download, if you create several, you will have the several from the list. But let's deep dive into this one. So we fetch the plugin name, then the text domain, and also we created you the prefix based on your plugin name as well. So what you want to do is you want to copy this one, and let's just open our test plugin. This one is really simple. Let's just zoom in. So you can see I just added the ORenQ, the CSS. We can paste it here, and everything is predefined for you. In the theme CSS, you can see we only have the body, the background color, and beside the root file or the main file, we need one more, and that's the updater. So we can just copy this one, and it needs to be inside the include folder. So let's do it like this, and it's mentioned here. It needs to be under the include, and we already create the name for you. So if you go here, include is going to be update PHP. Perfect. And we are now created our first plugin. Let's open the new installation so we can test it. I have it in our localhost. Let's upload our first plugin. Let's go to the front end of the website, and you can see the background color is olive. So if you want to now change that one, let's open the code editor, and let's move it from olive to red, and let's now update the version. Perfect. Let's remove this one, and let's do this. So what we need to do now is we need to go to the theming. We need to bump the version here, and let's write the changelog here. It's also nice to write what was changed, so the user know if he should update it or not. And Now we need to upload our zip. And immediately after we press save and we bump the number. This is important so the WordPress can see higher number and check for the updates. And if we reload, you can see that we have the version 002. You can check for details. You can see the description. We are going to deep dive into this styling as well. And for now, you can just press update and you're good to go. Your first update is successful.